So, and I believe we're live. Awesome. Yeah, so please here. Please have a seat. Everybody online, please also have a seat. Awesome. So yeah, maybe somebody in the audience maybe quickly check if it also works. Otherwise, there's also a chat in the online webinar. Please let me know if everything is working. Yeah, so we're just gonna plow through the agenda today, and let me actually make myself bigger here. Cool. Yeah, so let's get started. For those that don't know me, I'm Matthias Buehler, and it's actually this time is we're celebrating this. It's very cool, and also thanks for everybody to be here and for the presenters. So sponsors, Esri Inc. Some of them sitting here in the background. Very cool for them extra to come here. And then also Urban Solutions for organizing the event and make it happen. Let's very quickly talk about the past. As said, it's currently the 5th time that we're hosting this. I see some faces in the photographs that are also sitting in the audience. Cool. So the agenda, we're gonna start with a series of presentations, approximately 15 minutes each. We will, over the course of the next couple of hours, we will have 2 very quick breaks. And then, as mentioned, the Q&A at the end. But now, because it's the 5th anniversary, I would say let's celebrate this with a cake, and maybe I'd like to have the honor, maybe Teisha. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Fire extinguishers around. So everybody, if you would like some cake, just go ahead. There's a bit here. Also, just go for it. Cool. And let's get back to the presentation. I'm gonna just have a very quick part. Everything seems to be working fine. Sweet. So let's go to the first presentation.